How to clear iPhone storage photos. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on General. On this page, find and select iPhone storage to see a detailed breakdown of your device's memory usage. Here, scroll down the list of apps and tap on Photos to manage its storage. In Recommendations, tap on Empty beside Recently Deleted Album. Then, tap on Delete from this iPhone to confirm. This will permanently delete all items. Next, tap on Review your photos and videos. Here, you can review large files by category. Tap on Screenshots. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on Select. Then, choose the photos you want to remove. After that, tap on the Delete icon at the bottom right and tap on Delete Items again to confirm. Following these steps, you can easily clear photo storage on your iPhone.